grade 6. How are you? This is Mrs. Mohan, your English teacher. Today we'll have a grammar lesson about perfect tenses. So let's start our lesson. The present perfect describes an action that started in the past and may still be going on. This tense is formed by using has or have with the past participle of the verb. Let's have an example. Let's have an example to understand more. We have studied grammar for many weeks. So we have studied means that we started in the past, but the action is still going on. So that's why we are using present perfect. So just use have or has plus verb in the past participle. Let's move to the past perfect. Describes an action that was completed. Okay, it was completed before some action in the past. Okay, so it was completed before some moment or action in the past. Okay, this tense is formed by using had with the past participle of the verb. Let's have an example to understand more. Before that, we had studied vocab. Okay, so before that, we had studied. Okay, so the action finished. Okay, so we have to add had in the past, then add the verb in the past participle. Let's move to the future perfect. Describes an action that will be completed before some moment or action in the future. This tense is formed by using will, have with the past participle of the verb. Okay, the example is by the have studied a lot of grammar and vocab. Okay, so here we have action that will happen or it will take place in the future or before some moment of the future. So that's why we will use the future perfect. Will have studied a lot of grammar and vocab. Okay, let's have a quick exercise. Write present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect for each underlined verb. Number one, Bob had completed the hike in 3 hours. Okay, so had completed, this is something happened in the past, past action, so it's past perfect. Okay, number two, Julie has hiked with our team for months. So has hiked, here we are talking in the present. Okay, something started in the past but still going on. So it has hiked, it will be present perfect. Number three, they have traveled very far. Here we have also present perfect. Okay, they traveled. Okay, something happened in the past, but by April we will have collected enough money for the trip. Okay, will have collected. This is something in the future. Okay. Number five, the students had studied about the North Pole. Okay, had studied something happened in the past, so it's past perfect. Number six, people have said it's a very unique rock formation. So have studied, this is present tense, or okay, have is present, so this is present perfect. Okay, the form is have or has plus verb in the past perfect. Number seven, they will have finished by then. They will have finished. This form is for the future perfect. Number eight, by the time we got top of the mountain, the sun had set. So here we have two actions and both of them are in the past. Okay, so past actions. So this is called past perfect. Okay, and the form of the past perfect is had plus the past participle of the verb. Okay, hope everything is clear for you. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Thank you.